Children, let's learn the domestic animals. This is a dog. It is a very loyal pet. This is a cat. Cat is a gentle pet. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. This is a rabbit. Rabbit loves to hop. This is a horse. Horse is fast and strong animal. This is a goat. Goat is a farm animal. This is a sheep. Sheep gives us soft wool. This is a duck. Duck can swim in water. This is a hen. Hen lays egg. This is a pig. Pig is a farm animal. This is a donkey. Donkey is very hard-working animal. This is a ox. Ox is a strong farm animal. This is a guinea pig. These are adorable pets. This is a camel. Camel can travel long distance. This is a parrot. Parrot is a colorful green bird.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.